Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Plunge. Plunge means jump or dive energetically. For example, our daughters whooped as they plunged into the sea. Our daughters whooped as they plunged into the sea. Synonyms: jump, dive, hurl oneself.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. They plunge into the coastal waters from small boats. Now, repeat after me. They plunge into the coastal waters from small boats. The second exemplar. Gabrielle had a sudden urge to plunge into the cool lake like before. Now, repeat after me. Gabrielle had a sudden urge to plunge into the cool lake like before. The third exemplar. She dove a beautiful swan dive and plunged into the crystal clear, saltwater pool. Now, repeat after me. She dove a beautiful swan dive and plunged into the crystal clear, saltwater pool.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The word alphabet comes from the first two letters of the Greek alphabet, alpha, beta.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.